In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add products to Shopify. To begin, open the Shopify mobile app on your phone. Once the app launches, log into your Shopify account if you are not already signed in. Make sure you are entering your own account details privately, and avoid showing any sensitive information on screen while recording or following along. After you are logged in, you should arrive at the main Shopify dashboard, where you can manage different parts of your store from one place. Now that you are inside the app, look at the navigation bar along the bottom of the screen. Tap the Products tab. This is the section where Shopify keeps the items that are available in your store, including products you have already created and products you may add in the future. If your store is new, this area may look mostly empty, and that is completely normal. The important thing is that you are now in the correct place to create a new product listing. Once you are on the product screen, look toward the top right corner of the app. You should see a plus icon. Tap the plus icon to start adding a new product. This opens the product creation screen, where you will enter the main details that customers will see when they browse your store. Take your time on this page because the information you add here helps customers understand what the product is and whether it is the right choice for them. The first field to complete is the title field. Tap into the title field and type the name of your product. Keep the title clear and easy to understand. It should describe the product in a simple way, so customers can quickly recognize what you are selling. After that, move to the description field. In the description field, enter the product details. This can include helpful information such as the product features, materials, size, color, use, or anything else a customer should know before buying. A clear description can make your product page feel more complete and professional. After the title and description are filled in, you can add product photos. Tap Add Image to upload photos directly from your phone's camera roll. Choose the images that show the product clearly. Good product photos are important because they give customers a better idea of what they are purchasing. If you have more than one useful photo available, you can choose images that show different angles or details as long as you are selecting them through the Add Image option in the app. Once the images are added, they will appear on the product page inside the Shopify app. Next, you need to enter the retail price. Find the price field and type in the amount you want to charge for the product. Be sure to enter the price carefully, because this is the amount customers will see in your store. Before moving on, it is a good idea to quickly review the number you typed and make sure it matches what you intended. A small typo in the price can make a big difference, so this is a moment worth checking. Now scroll down until you reach the inventory section. This is where you can enter your stock quantities and tracking details, add the number of units you currently have available for this product. If you are using inventory tracking, make sure the tracking details are set the way you want them. This section helps Shopify understand how much stock you have, so your store can keep inventory information organized as customers place orders. Taking a moment to enter accurate inventory details can help you avoid confusion later. Once the product title, description, images, price, and inventory information are all filled in, you are ready to add the product to your store. Look in the top right corner of the screen and tap Save. Shopify will save the product details you entered and add the product to your store. After saving, the product should now be available in your products section where you can view it again or make changes if needed. That covers everything you need to know about adding products to Shopify from the mobile app.